Welcome, this is the question practical session of web programming. I'm going to do this third question of the day 6. So this is the question. In the question, I have to create a situation like this. When I press the image of the product, it will redirect into a page like this, and it will show the product name, and all the input fields should be filled with the details of the product, but they couldn't be changed, they should be disabled, and as well as update details should be disabled. And the specialty is in the back button. When I press the back button, it should call the back of the browser. That is the special thing in here, and that is the question. I'm going to show you my page. In the question 3 of the day 6, in view product, in here the product, so I'm going to select this product. When I press that, it will take me to the same kind of page, and all the input fields are locked, but I can't adjust anything, they are disabled, as well as the add product. When I click, there will be nothing happen. When I press the back button, it will take me into the previous page. That is just the back of this browser, so there's a special function for that as well. So I'm going to show you the code. In the code, there's only few things new in here. That is the script. There is a function called products for the viewing products. In here I took the ID as an input in the product page, in the table page that I created in the previous question. I add a on-click function to the picture image. In here image tag, I put on click function for that, and when I press that image, it will start the product function in JavaScript side and put it, giving the input of the ID of the product. It will take the ID from the search in here. When it loads, it will put the ID in here. So likewise, it will give the ID for the script in the function, and it take the ID and it will take the ID into the preview.php file, preview file. Then it will set the ID into the session associative array, and when I put this ID into that session associative array, I can access the ID from another page. So it will take after the response came, it will redirect into the view product PHP file in here. In there, I took the ID again from the session and searched the product for the relevant ID, and took the details of the product and set the values for the input fields for that product details. So that is the whole process. And I also disabled all fields, like putting the disabled attribute, and disable all the button in the add product button also disabled. So that is the main thing in here. Likewise, that is the new updated version of the previous question. So that is it for the third question of the day 6. Thank you.